Hello, this is Master Castillo from Maximum Martial Arts University, the place where you come to not only be a great martial artist, but also learn how to be a better person because we are changing lives one kick at a time. Now, today we're going to be covering Poomsae TaeGuek o Jang, or number 5. Poomsae TaeGuek o Jang is a special form because it represents wind, and we're learning Taekwondo, which is kind of hard. And this one, what I mean by hard is like a hard hitting martial art, hard blocking martial art. And this one represents to flow, to be soft. Okay, so wind is flowing constantly, and you'll see in Poomsae TaeGuek o Jang, there's a lot of movements for flow. So there's going to be parts where we're still going to be strong, but we are going to flow. So starting off at 차렷, attention, 경례, and 준비. Basic ready stance. And then from here, we're turning looking, prepping 45-degree angle, and immediate low block. Make sure that you have this down at 45-degree angle, about a fist's distance away. And if you have short arms like me, it'd be just a little bit higher. Then from here, I'm prepping for the next movement. See, I'm grabbing, coming underneath, and we're doing a hammer fist. Now this is called 왼서기, which means left stance. So it's not quite a walking stance, and our feet aren't together. It's almost like a back stance and a relaxed position. 1, 2, 3. And you're coming down onto the clavicle right here at the hammer fist. Now from here, I'm looking the other way. Same thing, and 1. And then from here, we have that position. See how I'm grabbing, and look at my elbows right here. Underneath, it's like I'm slingshotting, but I'm going to come up and hammer fist. And now we're in 오른수기, or right stance. Then from this position, I'm going to prep forward. See how I have this middle block ready, stepping, and middle block 1, middle block 2. Make sure you're even with your shoulder. 1, 2, then we're going front kick, and then back fist, middle block. Watch the motion. Front kick, and back fist to the nose, middle block, even with the shoulder. Then we do the same thing. Front kick, 1, back fist to the nose, middle block to the shoulder. Then we're stepping one more time, rolling, and back fist. Okay, so then from this position, we're turning around 270 degrees, and we're going to do a knife hand block. So it's going to look like this. 1, we have a good back stance right here. Now making sure that this is even with the shoulder, we're doing knife hand position. Remember, you don't want to be straight with your shoulders. You want to have your shoulders going from square to about 45 degrees with this back stance. Then from here, I'm stepping forward and elbow striking. So let me show you here this way. Can you see that? I want you to see it this way as well. What I don't want to do is to overturn it, but I don't want to be too square either. Now look at my hands. It's going straight down this line, 45 degrees right here. I should be able to fold it over and bend it, but I'm going to keep it straight here in this position. We're in front stance, now we're going to pivot and step the other way. Look at my preparation right here this way, looking, and 1. We have that knife hand. Now from here, we're stepping 2, we're throwing that elbow. Now, they're not going to clap together. Let me show you this way. I'm going from knife hand here, elbow. They don't clap, it's just here, backing up. And I like to think about it like I'm blocking. Okay? I'm here, and then I'm going to grab and throw that elbow, as opposed to using this as a hand that's going to back the other hand up. Okay, from here, I'm looking to the back, and we're going to do a low block, middle block sandwich. I'll show you what I'm doing to the back. Low block, middle block. We're going to do that this way. Okay, looking, prepping, and stepping. Low block, middle block. Make sure you have a good front stance. Then preparation, hands are here. Front kicking 1, and same thing. See how I have this prep right here this way, going to the back, and low block, middle block. Now from here, I'm going to prep. Let me show you right here this way. Can you guys see that? I'm looking this way, and we're going to go up to our left, moving our left foot even with our right foot. Our right foot's back here. Our left foot moves up, and we are high blocking into a front stance. Now from this position, I bring this hand out, see where it's at, This hand is going to come up to the shoulder, and we're getting ready to hammer fist. Like we're grabbing and hammer fisting at the same time, but we're going to go for a side kick. So we're throwing a side kick. I get the prep. See, I turn my foot just a little bit, prep it, and side kick. See how my hand's here? I'm going to pull their head in, but I'm actually hitting with an elbow. Let me show you this way so that way you get, okay, we can see it right here. What a lot of people do is they go like this, and they slap their hand. Grab here, pull their head in, and throw that elbow strike here this way. And it should be apart from your chest, okay? Right here. Then from this position, I'm going the other direction, putting my weight back to this leg, and high block, see? Right here, preparation. Make sure you still have that circle. Then from here, I bring my hand to my ear, I prep, and then this one's going to do the hammer fist at the same time as I side kick. So it's here. 1, see where my hand's at, and 2, see, I'm still throwing that elbow. Now going to the back, we're going to do one more low block, middle block, and 1, 2. Now from here, I'll show you both ways. I'm going to show you the end position. So I'm here, and I prep, okay? I'll show you right here. 1, 2, I prep. I'm going to front kick. 1, 2. It's 1, 2, 3. See how this foot's slightly angled? This foot's right behind. My hips are forward, and I have my shoulders about 30 degrees to 45 degrees. Not straight, not all the way turned. Right here on this angle, and we're hitting this back fist. So we're doing it towards the back, low block. Middle block, preparation. I'm going to hit that front kick. 1, and ha! Okay, then from here, we're going to pivot, drop, and hello. Good. All right, so let's do it again. And this time, let's do it by count. Okay, let's take our time and let's work on each movement. Ready? 차려. 형내. 준비. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. I'm looking to the side and I'm prepping. And 하나. Front stance. Prepping, 둘. 왼수기 and hammer fist. And set, prepping. Low block and front stance, and net, prepping, and orensugi and hammer fist. Remember, it's lining up kind of like a back stance, okay, right here. But I want to make sure that I'm coming down here. Not completely straight, not way bent, almost straight right here. Then, taso, preparation, and middle 1, middle 2, preparation, yoso, front, back, middle, okay. Preparation. Okay, so it's taso, yoso. Let me go back. Boom. Okay. Boom. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Then from there, it'll up. Okay, so 6, 7. Yurul. Okay, so we're at yurul right now. Yurul. Front hand, back fist, middle block, a hole. Right here, back fist, okay? Now, from here, make sure it's at the nose. We're turning, and your hana. 1, your two. 1, your set. Here, your net. Low, middle. Remember, it's a low block, middle block sandwich. Hands prep, and pull them in as you kick. Ready? And your net. 1, 1, 2. Oh, I lost my count again. Okay, so from here we got the high block. Now, look how I'm doing that prep right here. Take your time and work a good side kick. It doesn't have to go vertical. I would rather it be towards the solar plexus and be good than be vertical. I think about kicking through a brick wall as opposed to just kicking high. So from here, chamber, kick, and throw that elbow. Okay, remember, throw it. You ready? Other side, preparation, and 1, then same thing, chamber, kick, and see where I'm at right here. Throw that elbow, then to the back, low block, middle block. Then from here we do that front kick. 1, and pa! And hello. So you'll be able to see that cross stance, Okay, that's called Dui Kwasogi. And 차렷, 경례, with that 앞동저목치기. This is 앞동저목치기. All right, so now let's do it going the other way. Okay, now let's follow along and let's do it by count. Ready? 차렷, 경례, 준비. Okay, Poomsae TaeGuek Jang by count. Number 5. And 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Double middle block. 여섯. Now we're back on count. Good. So back fist to the face. Then middle block. Good. 여섯. 일곱. 1. Back fist. Middle block. 유로. Good. Then from here, a hold. Here, 유. Front stance. 하나, 둘, 셋. Make sure you look. 넷. Next side, look. Watch my foot. 다섯. See, right here. 여섯. 일곱. 유로. Position. There we go. A hop. I almost lost my balance there. Now, here's what we're doing. The ap dongjamok chigi with a dui kwasogi. Okay? This is going to be sumo right here. Watch this. Ha! Okay? See how my foot's right behind. So my hips are here. Not straight. Not too turned. 45 degrees. And right to the nose. And then, haro. 차렷, 경례. Okay, now, let me show you this one last part and go all the way through. So we're here, and the dui kwasogi. All you got to do is pivot and turn to be back to haro. So now let's go all the way through, taking our time. We're not in a rush. We're not going at speed, and we're getting one move at a time, completely correct, as hard as we can, and we hold it for a second. You ready? And 차렷, 경례. 준비. Poomsae TaeGuek Jang. Follow along with me. And 시작. Clear? All right, so there's a couple things. I was having a hard time with the side kick, especially when I was counting. I was losing my balance. When we throw a side kick, you want to push your hip in. You don't want to lean back. So if I kick and I start to lean back, I'll have a hard time and almost fall over. I did that over here on this side, okay? And then there's a couple times I was throwing a side kick. I didn't quite cant it downward and my toes were slightly up. I got to work on that as well. Okay, so we got to make sure that we're working on those little things. And then I want you to work on your rhythm. I still need to work on my rhythm. I still put way too much power into my forms. I need to be relaxed, then strong. Relaxed, then strong. And so that'll help me. And there's a couple times where my back stances, when I was going from here and I turned, and my back stances were kind of, they should be great. Okay, so I will work on that. And at the same time, I want you to work on your form. All right, so let's get after it. Make sure you practice. Thank you very much.